Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Just a quick update for anybody who wants a little bit more context. Check out my last video. I think I posted it on Saturday. Basically, it's so far working out. We reacted to resistance. The idea was that we most likely will get one more low here. At least we cannot rule that out because the movement to the upside of the 18th of May low was only a three-wave structure as I had labeled it here. The idea was we came down off this May high in a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. Yeah, this here a wave 4 could still extend a bit higher, and then one more low. But maybe that's it already. What you can never rule out with these corrections is that what I have as an ABC is only the first wave of the wave 4, yeah, and the move down so far isn't clearly impulsive. So unless we really go below the third wave low, which is at 2330, this could still do something like this. So having wave 4 reset a little higher, because the ideal target for such a fourth wave is typically the 2430, well, in this case 2430, but typically the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. And we would then look at the ABC structure as an A wave. Then we come down in three waves in a B wave. And then we could move up in a C wave, yeah, or a WXY, which is also possible. Now, saying that, of course, you know, in a wave 4, you can get even overshooting B waves to the downside. But still, if we break below the third wave low, which is again that 2330 level, then probabilities will significantly increase that we're already in the fifth wave. So at present, because we have a corrective structure complete, and because we fulfilled the minimum expectations for the fourth wave, I'm tracking the fifth wave to the downside. So I think we can track it. I think we can look at a possible drop now. And if we break below the dotted line there, that would be a first good indication. I would say, you know, if we break really below that wave B low, basically the B wave of the wave 4, it's at 2350 or 49. That's already a good indication that we are in the fifth wave, but again, it's not a confirmation. And always bear in mind in these markets, confirmation doesn't mean certainty. Yeah, it's just not. Yeah, because you can't, you know, you can never be sure in these markets. But that's sort of at the moment the roadmap. I explained in the previous video that yes, the low could also be it. I mean, that would be the direct bullish path, because you can count 5 waves complete to the downside. But, you know, because the movement to the upside was only in 3 waves here, I decided to add another 4 and 5 because both counts make sense. So from that point of view, you know, what would be the next support if we make another low? Well, we explained here that it's probably going to be in the yellow box, but more likely around the upper half of the box, so between the 61.8 retracement and the 50% retracement of this move that started in March. Yeah, these are the retracement levels of this move that started in March and ended in April. Count that as a wave 1, and then here ABC structure to the downside. And this is the typical standard Fibonacci support area for a wave 2. Now, so far we haven't reached that. Price should reach it, but doesn't need to reach it. We have already fulfilled minimum expectations to the downside in general, because as I explained, we can count 5 waves complete in the C wave if we want to. And the dotted line here, that was one of the Fibonacci extension levels that I calculated in the last video. I think between wave A and C, that you get sort of a similar length, right? And that points you to this area, and we reacted to it. So from that point of view, what we need to see now is either a break below 2349 that would confirm or at least indicate we are in the fifth wave down with the first relevant support around the 2296 level, or if we go higher, and that's sort of the alternative, then it is still likely a wave 4 unless we break and sustain above 2460, and then we might already be in the move up. But in general, I have here a bullish setup. What I just explained to you is anyway just, you know, smaller time frame stuff. as long as overall, looking at this structure, the $21.16 level is holding, we can look at a third wave rally next into the $30 range. So that's going to be interesting. Nothing else to add, I think. So I hope you liked the update about silver. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.